Hi there. In this video I will show you a roadmap how to go from broke to wealthy. This is a proven blueprint for financial transformation. Here's the truth. Being broke is not a life sentence. It's a stage. But wealth is a skill set, a mindset, and most importantly, a process. If you're serious about changing your financial reality, you need a clear, strategic path forward. Not vague advice, but a proven roadmap with real, actionable steps. What you're about to see here is not just theory. It's the actual journey that millions of financially successful individuals have taken, stage by stage, step by step. Wealth doesn't come all at once. It's built, layer by layer, habit by habit. Let's break this journey down into 3 powerful stages, each one designed to lift you higher than the last. Before we dive in, do me this one favor. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through. That's how I get compensated for laboring to put together and bring you this valuable information. Thank you very much for your kind support. Now let's continue. Stage 1 on how to go from broke to wealthy has to do with climbing out, survival, and stability. The objective: escape financial quicksand and establish a foundation. This is where most people start, buried under debt, living paycheck to paycheck, and feeling like there's never enough. But even here, there's hope. Stage 1 is about taking control, getting clarity, and making sure your money stops working against you. 1. Pay off high-interest debt. Debt with high interest, especially credit cards and payday loans, is financial poison. It's designed to keep you broke. Every dollar you send to interest is a dollar stolen from your future wealth. Start with the debt avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest balances first. Negotiate lower interest rates where possible. Stop adding new debt. This is a reset point. 2. Find a stable income source. Before you can build wealth, you need income stability. Whether it's a job, side hustle, or small business, you need consistent cash flow. Prioritize reliability over passion at this stage. Eliminate unpredictability so you can start budgeting and planning. 3. Live as frugally as possible. This is not about deprivation, it's about liberation. Every unnecessary expense is a weight on your back while climbing out of a financial hole. Cut subscriptions, cook at home, buy secondhand, and say no to lifestyle creep. Your frugality isn't permanent. It's fuel for your escape velocity. Stage 1 is about regaining control. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Stage 2, security, stabilize and protect. Objective: create a financial safety net and increase earning power. Once you've neutralized the chaos and created breathing room, it's time to build security, the buffer between you and financial disaster. Here, you move from defense to offense. 1. Get insurance coverage. A single accident, illness, or legal issue can wipe out years of progress. Health insurance, renters/home insurance, car insurance, and life insurance, if you have dependents, are non-negotiable. Don't see it as a cost, see it as a shield. 2. Focus on raising income. You can only cut expenses so far, but your income potential is unlimited. Ask for raises. Learn high-value skills. Change industries if necessary. Start exploring side hustles or freelance gigs that can grow with time. 3. Save for emergencies. This is your buffer account, the difference between a problem and a crisis. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Protect it. Don't dip into it unless it's a real emergency. Stage 2 is your stability phase. You're no longer surviving. You're protecting, planning, and preparing to grow. Stage 3, accumulation, build and expand. Objective: multiply your income and build long-term wealth. Now that you've stabilized, it's time to grow. This is where true wealth is born, not from working harder, but from working smarter and letting your money do the heavy lifting. 1. Start long-term investing. Compound interest is the closest thing to magic in personal finance. Start now. Even small amounts matter. Focus also on index funds, ETFs, or real estate if you're comfortable. Use tax-advantaged accounts, IRAs for 401(k)s or Roth IRAs. 2. Build income streams. Relying on one job is risky. Wealthy people have multiple income sources: dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, online businesses, royalties, or content monetization. Start with one. Build it to sustainability. Then add another. 3. Improve your time leverage. You only have 24 hours a day, but when you build systems, businesses, or assets, you start earning even when you sleep. Automate your income. Delegate tasks that don't grow your wealth. Invest in scalable systems, digital products, recurring services, or team-based businesses. Stage 3 is not about just having money. It's about building freedom, options, and legacy. Final thought: wealth is built in layers. Start yours today. Most people dream of becoming wealthy, but dreams alone don't build fortunes. Structures do. Habits do. Discipline does. This path from broke to wealthy isn't reserved for the lucky or the privileged. It's available to anyone who commits. Yes, the journey may be long. It will require sacrifices. But every stage builds upon the last, and every step you take forward gives you more power, more options, and more freedom. You don't have to get rich overnight. You just have to stop standing still. Begin the climb. Secure your future. Then build the life that once seemed out of reach. Because you're not just escaping being broke, you're building a life of wealth, choice, and lasting freedom. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have received value from this video, please smash the thumbs up button to give us a like. Want to add a comment? Please do so in the comment section below the video. Until next time, please be safe and may God bless your efforts.